Welcome to Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited, trading as leadinginteriors.com, the specialists in curtains and soft furnishings. Our state-of-the-art metal Venetian blinds offer fantastic flexibility.
The light can be precisely controlled with a turn of the wand.
And with a growing collection of colors and finishes, as well as various slat widths, the possibilities are endless.
Any room can be transformed to a totally individual style.
The metal slats are available in 4 different widths for both small and large windows and are made from high-grade, resilient aluminium.
They are available in a variety of colors, textures and finishes, from soft pastels to brushed aluminium.
They come in various slat widths, 16mm, 25mm, 35mm and 50mm.
And have a cord to raise the blind and a nylon tilt wand, which tilts the slats, standard tilt wand and cord control.
All metal Venetian blinds from Curtains and Blinds are custom made to fit your windows perfectly.
And are installed by our team of professional blind fitters.
Metal Venetian blinds are probably one of the most popular forms of window covering. Their versatility,
with light control, appearance, privacy, and make them hard to beat.
For more information on metal Venetian blinds,
or to arrange a free home or office consultation with one of our interior specialists,
please call us now on 0208 861 6364.
or visit us Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited at Devonshire House,
582 Honeypot Lane, Stanmore,
postcode HR7 1JS, Middlesex.
Trading with Curtains and Blinds Direct UK Limited will give you memories you will cherish for years.
Happy shopping at leadinginteriors.com.